You won't always have 3D families available when laying out furniture and equipment. In those cases, you can use Hypar's flexible boxes and cylinders, or import 2D CAD components to make sure everything fits. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use flexible boxes and cylinders, import and use CAD components, and export everything back to Revit. To get started with a flexible box or cylinder, open the Furniture and Equipment library. Click Generic and choose either a flexible box or a cylinder. If you're in 3D, objects will be placed on the first level. To place furniture and equipment on a different level, switch to that level in 2D first. You can stretch or use the dynamic dimension strings to resize your box. To move your box up or down, use the arrow in the center of the box. Once you've moved it, additional dimension strings appear for more precise control. Flexible cylinders work the same way, but they remain cylindrical no matter how you stretch them. You can even put a flexible box or cylinder on top of another, or on top of a piece of furniture like a table. Be sure to watch for the pink snap indicator in the middle of the box. To rename a flexible box or cylinder, type a new name in the capsule menu. The updated name will appear in the right side panel and under Generic in the Furniture library. You can reuse your named flexible boxes or cylinders throughout your project. Keep in mind that resizing one instance won't change the dimensions of other objects with the same name. Consider using unique names when you need different dimensions for your flexible boxes and cylinders. To add a clearance, select the object, then click the Add Clearance button in the capsule menu. You can stretch or use dimension strings to define the clearance area. Copy and paste if you need more than one clearance on an object. To import a CAD component, click Import in the Furniture and Equipment library, then select CAD Furniture. Choose your DWG or DXF file. In this example, we'll import a simple Herman Miller sofa CAD block. In some cases, you may need to confirm the correct units on import. And Hypar will preserve your CAD component's line color and name. To save to a personal or group library, click the 3 dots in the object's capsule menu and select Add to Library. When you're ready to bring your design into Revit, make sure to download, install, and complete the initial authentication steps for the Hypar Revit add-in. Then, in the Add-ins tab, click Load Project and choose your project. Flexible boxes and cylinders will appear under Generic Models as box or cylinder, or they'll appear as their name if they've been renamed in Hypar, like this CNC machine and dust collector. CAD components will also appear in Revit under their original file name. And that's it! That's how you use flexible boxes, cylinders, and CAD components in Hypar. We can't wait to see what you build!